everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 10th to the 14th of May 2021 on Monday. Nyao updates Makeba on Philani's case. Bongs asked Mrs. Madlala for the impossible. Kwanjomane host an epic hair competition on Tuesday. No release for Mpambani. KKC ownership wars continue. Who stole the competition money on Wednesday? As war erupted in KwaMashu, a new sense of hope dawned on the community of KwaMashu. GC and Tobile are in serious trouble on Thursday. Nkunzi finally faces off with Umbuto. Mamlambo tells the church members that they are fighting a futile battle. GC and Tobile learn that no lie stays hidden forever on Friday. Nkunzi reclaims his kingdom. Pastor Kwala seems to have made a positive impression on Mamlambo. Figile's parents arrives in KwaMashu. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.